Okay, so back on the 1969 Buick Skylark. It has been degreased and washed, and then I moved forward with disassembling the bumpers, headlight rings, door handles, locks, rear bumper, as well as the whole body, as I mentioned, has been degreased and prepped. It has been prepped for bodywork, so the next stage would be grinding out the rust repair places needing body filler. The doors have been masked, the windows have been masked, wheel maskers are on, plastic bags as well as dollies on the car if I have to move it over. On the back here we have all the bits that have been disassembled, the door panels and all the hardware with them, emblems, mirrors, door handles, some new parts that have already been provided, door seal and trunk seal, and then the front end bits that came off to get access to some of the paint bits. One minor note on the Skylark passenger mirror, it has a nice big crack across the whole thing. So this might be getting replaced, but it has obviously been noted. Door panels are there. So trunk seals out, door seals are out, all ready for paint in the interior. Now, final little bits are the front and rear bumpers. Bodywork stage has begun. Some minor paint lifting in various spots over the car has been ground out, and then a light coat of body filler. Front fender had some damage, has been repaired. And the passenger quarter panel has some various damage that's been pulled with the dent puller and then body worked. Okay, bodywork stages have been completed. Time for a light spot prime. Definitely a little bit more bodywork than expected, as well as a lot more previous bodywork was on the vehicle and has been identified. But for the bulk of it, the bodywork has been complete, and we'll get a little spot prime on here. Okay, a little bit of a spot prime today on the Buick 69 Buick here for a quick paint job. Some bodywork on the door has been primed over. The underside of the hood has been lightly painted, as well as the jams lightly. And this was all done after the primer has been dried and getting ready to cure. Door jams here as well, light coat of paint on the jams just to freshen them up. Back here on the trunk, just the perimeter of the trunk was touched up to deal with any surface rust. And there we go. Getting ready for full paint now after this cures for about a week. Door jam here, looking fresh.